Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and it's only 2 minutes left before Grayo Garden updates. So me and my friend is gonna be doing this, and we will also be getting the chicken jockey, a pet that you will never be able to get again. So yeah, there's only 1 minute left. So let's get into this. To your garden. Okay. So yeah, let's get into this. This is oh, no, your watermelon is almost as big as uh, your watermelon is as big as both of us on top of each other. No, that's insane. And this is our normal watermelon should look, and that's how he looks. That's just insane. Okay, so let me go collect my shocked bamboo. 50 seconds and then we start. Then we get hopefully the chicken jockey. That's what all the people are saying. So let's hope it works. Okay, this update, I'm telling you, is gonna be insane. Oh! I just showed my inventory and I got 2 million and rand from that. Well, I mean, it's not so a lot because I had 55 mil, but it's still a lot. Okay, wait. Some my inventory. Okay, it will stock soon. It's an update. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Ooh, I can get something in there. Okay, blood moon. So it's a blood moon. What else? Oh, there's another thing. Another There's a cosmetic. eh, what is this cosmetic place? This is new. Okay, let's see. So, so on crates for 5.5 million. So if I buy that, I would only have 2 mil left. That's insane. I'm not doing that. Free torches for 80k, also not doing that. 60 mil for what? No, this is rip-off stuff. Medium wood flooring, wood fence. Okay, that is crazy amount of stuff. Is there some you purchase fair because something what? Show me the gear shop. Is this something new? No, nothing new. Let me go check. Where are you? Go to the sell. Go sell it. No, don't go sell it. Just go to sell so that I can see how big. Oh, I don't know. Just want to check. Cactus seeds. Yes, I'm gonna buy both of them. Okay, and I'm also gonna grow the. Okay, I'm gonna check now how much it how big it is. And guys, this is how much a normal watermelon is. So let's go see how easy it is. Okay, let's go see. You can erase it there. Oh, I'm in spanner. Okay. Ooh, because uh, big 30 kg. Uh, but because we were in the vent, we got a trophy that they said we have. So, gonna show you how to get it. Because we got a trophy, see? If. Look here. Move. Okay. But gonna show you how to place down your trophy. Okay. Just like that and move it right there. Look at my trophy. Must show you how to place this trophy. That's insane. Okay, so where are you? Come to me. Oh no, don't go. So you can see on my screen there. Look at my screen. So you see there is a Amaranth spanner above the screen. Do you see it? Click it, and then you can have it. Yeah, and then you can also rotate it like you want. Okay. What's that? Cactus. Okay. Seeds. There's 15 seconds, and before there's new seeds. So yeah, if you want to come get some seeds, come. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Dragon fruit seeds. They're 50k. There's only one. They're 50k one dragon seed, and there is only one dragon seed in stock. Dragon seed. Okay, I've never grown a dragon seed because all the time when I want to do they on what? That's not a lot. I have for 757 mil. But yeah, guys, this will be it for today's video, and I hope I will see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.